Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Okay. And then you use your little fork. They gave you a little fork.
This one?
Yeah. And you reach in and you pull it out.
There's nothing inside.
Yeah, it is. You got it.
That's it?
That's it. And then with a little bit of bread, take a bit of bread. Well,
Okay. It's with it?
yeah, that's fine. Take it like that.
Okay, chef.
Be brave.
Not bad.
Not bad. Very good. I am so proud of you. My God, what happened to you?